Are you all ready for this? Are you all ready to see my face every day for the next week? This little workshop is all about written journaling and several different approaches which we are going to explore one each day to different ways of written journaling. Just writing that. And there's no better time to do it than now, is there? This is a journaling class for any time. It's about doing the journaling techniques. It isn't about the pandemic, although I am putting it out at the time of the pandemic as a way to support you and to help you process. It can be a tool to help you process this time, and tools that you can use whenever, wherever, regardless of the pandemic that's going on. Explore. That's what the journaling practice is. It's about exploring every single aspect and avenue of yourself and of life and of the world and of the universe that you want to, without censorship,